like to know from you, what is fashion for you? What do you think?
So for me, fashion is a state of how you're feeling, right? I think it keeps changing from mood of the day. For me, it's all about comfort first. I mean, whatever I wear, I need to be comfortable, and then I think if I'm comfortable, then the kind of confidence that comes from within, it's not got anything to do with the clothes. So comfort first, and then style, and then fashion.
Yeah, and also look who you used to be. You are always like very conscious about your diet and everything. But like you have also spoken about the health problem that you suffered, the back injury, and after that, how it has affected your lifestyle. What has changed in your lifestyle?
Oh
After
wow. The injury really did do a setback. I feel like it's been 4 months and I'm still not my optimal yet. I still need to be very careful with a lot of things. But every day is better. And I think what it teaches you is sometimes to slow down because you think everything is happening according to you and you set a timeline for things and then something like this happens. And I remember within the first 1 week, I surrendered. I was like, okay, this is going to take its own time and I have to be okay with letting go of certain things, letting go of certain work commitments. And then I bounced back stronger, completed the shoot of my film. Every day was a task to sail through, but then I think it just reiterates the fact that life is very uncertain and, we got to be thankful for every small thing you do. Like I'm very, very thankful for, however it's recovering, even if it's slow. And sometimes you don't value it, right? Like tying your shoelaces. I couldn't do that for 3 months. Or, just sitting on bed for coffee, but I had to sit on a chair. I couldn't sit on a bed. So just small, small things that you start becoming thankful for.
do you think that there are certain things that people should keep in mind when it comes to the lifestyle, like everything, after going through that phase? I mean, when it comes to the
I think
diet
in general, see, it wasn't diet. It was a workout that went wrong, and I think everyone should listen to their body. My body was giving me a signal for 5 days in pain, but unfortunately, I was shooting, and I didn't think that canceling shoot for backache is, you can't cancel shoot for backache. So I just popped pills and I went to work. But I feel like just listen to your body, and a balance of everything is great. Nourish yourself well. I think my recovery was fast enough because of the nutrition I've been giving it for years, because there were no deficiencies. So it wasn't like I had to cope with a certain deficiency and then recover. So I think, just right food and a balance of everything.
And also, I like to know, after Jackie's wardrobe, I just want to know that after you coming in his life, how it has changed.
Nothing has changed. I think he always styled himself well, and
Give him certain styling tips and all.
no, nothing. I think both of us are individuals who don't really poke into. If we like something, then we'll just say this is really nice, and if we don't like something, we'll say please don't wear this ever again. But everyday styling tips, no. I think just compliments.
And if you could just talk about De De Pyar De too, I mean, how it is going, if you could just talk about.
Well, I just finished a very long schedule and it's going very well. I am very excited about the film. It's too early for me to speak too much, but I think De De Pyar De 2 is going to be double masala and double fun of what the first part was.
And also, if you could just share your working, how it was the experience over here, if you could just talk about.
In Magnum, well, Magnum reminds me of childhood memories. I remember when Magnum had launched. I think, or when I first had my Magnum, it was high school, and it was this indulgence, and like this premium indulgence ice cream, which we thoroughly enjoyed. So for me, it's sort of going back to those memories, and associating with Magnum is amazing. I really love it. It's my guilty pleasure. It's my indulgence. So I'm a full ice cream fan. So every time I want to indulge in ice cream, it's Magnum.
At last, if you could just give lifestyle fashion tips to the youngsters.
Well, lifestyle, I would always say that make wellness a way of life. I think it's very, very important, and have a balance of everything. Wellness doesn't mean dieting. Please, I hate the word dieting, but just have a balance of life. Good habits, sleep early, sleep on time, and work well.